Hi, this is KRISHI. This is my fifth web technology lab experiment. In this, we have to create 5 pages, and in each page there is a function, and it does some calculations and some programs for that individual pages. So now we'll see the first page. The first page is to find the longest word in the given text. Okay, we'll see the code for that. So the code is HTML language equal to English. Then you create a head, give the title as website, and give the link, give the name for the page, and close the head tag. Next is the body part. In this we see the division tag. Name a class is equal to nav, and we create an unordered list and center it. And we in that unordered list inside the li tag, and we create a link. For link we create an anchor tag and href keyword. We created a link, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, and first one is given as question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4 to question 5. Then another list is closed, and then it's centered. Then division tag is also closed. So all the 5 lists are displayed. Next is we create the functions, the calculations for this page. For that we create another division class is equal to container. Then h2 font size. In the h2 font size we give the text, find the longest word in the given string. Then we give a label for that, for this as x2. Style is equal to color white, and bold. In the bold letter we display the string. So next is the input class. So it's in the form control. It's a form control function. Then id is given as t1. Then type is equal to text. Now the button is class button. One click f split is used to get the longest text in the longest text which we enter. So check is the name for the button. So then the next division class is equal to tuple1. The paragraph tag we display the longest word in the given string is. So using the id we get the output for this page. So we'll see the output. Check. So the longest string in the given text is found out. Okay, for the next page we click this to go to the next page. Next page is to calculate your body mass index. For that we'll see the HTML code. This is the HTML code for that, and HTML language equal to en head equal to title website, and we create a link, name, script, and all for that. Then close the head tag, but then we go to the body tag. In that create a division class as nav, center. Again the same thing for that as we did for the previous page. Anchor tag list, using anchor tag and href to create a link. Close the another list division. The next division is we do this calculations. In that is division class equal to containers. h2 font size is used to calculate your body mass index text. Then label is given as height. Input class is equal to the form control, the same as the previous one. Then id is given as t2. Type is equal to text. Then label is again given as weight. Inside that input class is equal to form control. id is given as t3. Type is text. Then the final is the button class button. One click calculate. So we give the name of the button as calculate. Then division class v1. In that paragraph we give your body mass index text, and using o2 we give the output of the result. So and it's calculated that if it's above and below some limits, it gives the same. If it's below it, if it's underweight, comes as underweight. If it's normal, it comes as normal. We'll see the output for that too. So let me give my height 183, weight is 60. Calculate. So its body mass is index calculate, and my body type is underweight. This is given. Next we'll go to the next page. So the next page is to calculate the flower bed. So if you give the number of rows and columns, so if you give 3 rows and 2 columns, it gives a flower bed of 3 rows and 2 columns is created. We'll see the code for this page now. This is the code. Then HTML language is equal to English, head, title is the website, create a script and link for that. Close the head. Next is the body tag. This division class is equal to nav, same as the previous one. We give this. Next is in the division class container, h2 is given as flower bed, label as rows, Inside that we give input class is equal to form control, id is equal to t4, type is equal to sex, same as the previous. Then inside the column also we give input class equal to form control, type text, id is equal to t5. Now in this button class equal to button one click, so in this we give grow function and give that as name for as grow, and in the so the result is display. Let me show that 3 2. So there's a flower bed with 3 rows and 2 columns. This is how the page goes. The next page is to convert kg, is to convert the kg. So the code for that is this. So same as the previous one, everything is the same, and inside the container we see that h2 font size is converted, input class is equal to form control, type is equal to static, id is equal to, we give it as data, select id is equal to from, in this from, then options id equal to kg, we give okay. We are creating check options, scroll down options, so in that we give select id is equal to from, option id is equal to kg, and we give two things, kg and lb, and close the select to select. Now it must be converted, this is the given text and it must be converted to this. So select id equal to 2, option id lb, so give the name as lb, then another we create as option id is equal to kg and give it as kg, select. So now the button we created as button class is equal to one click, it's also convert. In the use of a convert function here, we give the name for the button as convert, and the final answer is displayed. See that thing. It's 50, it's in kg, we must convert to lb, so this is the answer. And if you want to convert to lb to kg, the same thing, 59 lb kg, so we get the kg, we get the answer in the kgs. This is how this page goes. The next page we'll see. Next stage is to find whether it's a head or tail. We'll see the code for that. This is the code for that, same as the previous one. HTML language code English, head, close the head tag. In the body tag we give file list, close that. Then we come to the content, we'll come to the next division. In this we create a head or tail text using h1 font size, and we give and create a division tag. In that we give an image src, and we give an image if you want, and id equal to coin, button id is equal to flip, on click flip function is used here, and we create the name for the button as flip. Another we give p division style is equal to color black, head total span id num heads, color is equal to black, tail total is equal to num tail, style color is equal to black. So we'll see the code now. We'll see the okay, now we'll see the output for that. So if we flip, it comes as head, so the head total is equal to 1. Then as we flip, so there's 3 head, and now tail comes, so head total is 3 and tail total is 1. So this is used to calculate the head or tails. That's how the page is done. Thank you.